Hi, and welcome to Color's Kitchen, Cooking for a Cause.
Today we're making gluten-free stuffing as requested.
Here's how we made it.
While that's cooking, here is our highlighted dog.
Mandy is a 4-year-old pitty mix who has been with Harley's Haven for a while, waiting for that special family to take a chance on a sweet adult dog. She was found as a stray and has had to learn that humans, play, and love are all good things. She's come a long way since Harley's Haven got her, and she now knows her commands, walks well on a leash, and is a comical goofball once she's comfortable. Mandy needs a home with no cats or small critters, and is selective with other dogs, but is happy to go on hikes and snuggle with her people. Give Mandy a chance. Contact Harley's Haven to meet her.
Thank you for watching and supporting us. Woo! And all we did was cook up the vegetables and
Go dancing on a sleigh? I think we made a